This is entirely optional when you're doing your work, but you may like to do it, or at least to see it being done here once, to make you more comfortable with the idea of that slope showing up in the equation. So let's find the slope using the formula m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Our equation in the first form we found it was y is equal to negative 2 plus 2/3 x. So we need 2 points to use the slope formula. So let's choose 2 convenient values for x. I'm choosing 0 and then 3, since they're convenient values to use beside this fraction. Filling in 0, we have y is equal to negative 2 plus 2/3 times 0. 2/3 times 0, of course, is 0, so that gives us y equals negative 2. Filling in 3 into our equation, y equals negative 2 plus 2/3 times 3. The 2/3 times 3 is 2, and negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So we have 2 points, 0, negative 2, and 3, 0. And then we can use our slope formula. The slope is, well, let's see, this is our first point, so here's the x1 and y1. For the second point, here's our x2 and y2. So the slope is y2, 0, subtract y1, negative 2, x2, which is 3, subtract x1, which is 0. 0 subtract negative 2 is 0 plus positive 2, which gives us 2 for the numerator. And then 3 subtract 0 is 3 for the denominator. The slope is 2/3. So from the equation, we have come up with a slope of 2/3. And in the equation of the line, notice that the coefficient of x is 2/3. So our optional check has verified that indeed the slope of this line matches the coefficient of x when the y is by itself. Now let's review what we do to find the slope of the line. To find the slope of the line, all we must do is solve for y and then read the coefficient of x. So that's all you need to do. Solve for y and read the coefficient of x. So, here are 2 exercises for you to do. Find the slope of each line by solving for y. First one, 2x subtract y equals 5. 2x subtract y equals 5. And second, 6x plus 4y equals 7. 6x plus 4y equals 7. When you have them copied, stop the tape, work them, then restart the tape to check your answers. For our answers, first one, y is equal to 2x minus 5, so the slope is 2. And for the second one, y is equal to negative 3/2 x plus 7/4, so the slope is negative 3/2. If your answers don't agree and you cannot find out where you went wrong, be sure to mark this on your page so that you can get help from your professor or from a lab instructor. This is the end of Math Tape 089.